Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters in Messenger with the updated features. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Messenger app on your Android phone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the search function. Step 2. Tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. This is where you can type in keywords to search for specific messages or contacts. Step 3. Enter what you want to search for in the search bar. You can input names, keywords, or phrases related to the messages or contacts you are looking for. Step 4. Just below the search bar, you will find a panel displaying different filter options. These filters are designed to help you refine and narrow down your search results based on specific criteria such as people, messages, groups, and more. By utilizing these filter options, you can easily narrow down your search results and quickly locate the messages or contacts you are searching for. Experiment with different filters to find specific conversations, group chats, or contacts within Messenger. Enjoy exploring the updated search features in Messenger to enhance your messaging experience and easily find the information you need.